So one of my friends on Instagram decided to let me know that my makeup looked really nice and told me to make a video on how I did it, which personally I find fucking hilarious considering I have no clue what I'm doing. But like, you know what? I would take any opportunity to be annoying and fun in new formats, so here we go. First, primer. So this is a Maybelline primer, I think. I'm rapidly running out of it because I use a lot. Like, I'm just sort of hoping it covers up all of my sins, I'll be real with you, so I just slap that shit on as best I can. Next is a Fenty Beauty foundation. It's the second foundation I've ever bought. It's in the shade 230. If it's good enough for Rihanna, it's good enough for me, so here we fucking go. Oh, also the lady at Sephora like conned me into buying this little blue sponge thing that was like in the most child-proof container possible. Thankfully, it's not idiot-proof, so I did crack it open eventually, but like, spent $30 on a sponge. Like, that shit should be illegal. What the fuck is going on in the free market, you guys? Like, that should not be allowed. But yeah, just smeared some foundation on in whatever amount seemed to cover, like, my very red skin, like, as best it could. Yeah, like, that looks about right. And there I am, contemplating why I'm so damn shiny. I still don't know, fam. Anyway, we decided to go ahead and put on a Stila concealer. Don't know what shade that's in, but it works. It's the second concealer I've ever bought. That cost me way too much money. And just went ahead and blended that in with my dry ass sponge, which I probably should have wet first, but you know what? It's fine. It did the job. I'm blending. Look at it go. There I am, admiring my gorgeous skin. Looking confident. Then I picked some fluff off my neck and realized I still have no clue what I'm doing. Didn't know what to put on my face next. Ah, right. It's eyeshadow. That is an eyeshadow blush highlight hybrid. This shit is fucking volatile. It's also really pigmented, and if you drop this shit on like anything, it's immediately going to be covered in Orgasm by NARS. And like, it's really pigmented, as you can see. It goes on really lovely. But like, this shit needs to be handled like radioactive waste. Look at it. Jesus. Next went in with like a MAC eyeshadow. A singular eyeshadow that cost me $30. Like, what a fucking nightmare. And just put that over like the top. Also, I knew I'd made a mistake buying this when the lady was just like, yeah, I think Lilac's coming back. And I'm like, okay, but what's wrong with Lilac? I just blended those two very expensive things together with my finger because I can't be fucked buying brushes. Alright, next was this Stila lip gloss which cost me like $35 because I'm a fucking idiot. It's in the shade Kitten. It's supposed to be lip plumping, but it mostly just makes my lips burn. But they look cute though, and yeah, there was not that much product in this thing. Like, I don't know shit about makeup, but I do know about value for money, and that shit sucked. Anyway, Stila liner, because I'm an idiot and an absolute simp for Stila. Liquid eyeliner can smell fear, and that shit sucks. I just sort of never learned how to do it right, so I just sort of start in the middle of my eye to keep like, gotta keep the eyeliner on its toes, you know? That way it can't stuff up your lines that badly. Just me going, yep, sure, that'll do. That's like my attitude to makeup as a whole. Yeah, shit, that'll do. And that's it. And it looks alright, actually. It's me just, you know, vibing. Oh shit, that's right. Fucking mascara. I fucking forgot to put on mascara. I have one that my sister very generously gave to me because I kept stealing it anyway. Thanks, Lisa! And look at it go. Gotta do both lids. Just hope you don't smudge your makeup, and then call it a day, because makeup's hard, and femininity is hard, but it has been fun learning about it slowly. I do still need a bronzer.
Also maybe an eyebrow pencil. But also, we gotta remember that makeup is ultimately a capitalist scam designed by men to profit off of women's insecurities, so like, do I need it? Do I?